Welcome to our recipe channel. Today, we've got a special recipe for your furry friend. It's a delicious oatmeal sweet potato cake that you don't have to bake. This recipe is easy, homemade, healthy, and most importantly, your dog is going to love it. Start by combining rolled oats, whole wheat flour, and cinnamon in a large mixing bowl. Mix thoroughly until everything is evenly combined. In a separate bowl, mix applesauce, sweet potato puree, and peanut butter. Mix well until all ingredients are combined. Add the rest of the wet ingredients, the honey, and the vanilla extract. Continue mixing. Add the dry ingredients, mixing carefully until a dough forms. The dough has to have a firm consistency and not be too wet. Grease a loaf pan or cake pan and press the dough into the pan. I used an 8-inch cake pan. Take care to flatten the surface as much as possible. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour to allow the dough to firm up. For filling of the cake, we are going to need peanut butter and cottage cheese. First, let the cottage cheese reach room temperature and then mix it with the peanut butter. Blend the mix until smooth and creamy and set aside. For decoration, we are going to make a carob frosting. In a small bowl, add the coconut oil, honey, and carob powder. Mix until all ingredients are combined and set aside. The nest frosting is optional and you can use it for dog treats or cakes. For the Greek yogurt frosting, you'll need a small bowl, then add the yogurt and the cornstarch. Whisk until the mixture is smooth. You can add more cornstarch until you reach the desired consistency for piping. Now is the time to assemble the cake and decorate. Cut the refrigerated dough into 4 circles with the help of a knife. Use the peanut butter filling to put it between the layers. Glaze the top of the cake with the carob frosting. This will give a sweet, mild, and slightly nutty flavor to your puppy cake. With the yogurt frosting, give the last touch to the decoration. And that's it. Our dog cake recipe is ready to be served. We hope your furry friend enjoys it as much as ours did. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious dog recipes.